Welcome back to another episode of MBG. Now, more and more people are home growing here in Qatar, and today I'm meeting a family who have created an amazing green paradise right here in the centre of Doha. So I'm here with the Atuk family, who are originally from Kerala in India, and this is Simi.
Hi.
And Paul.
Hello.
Edwin.
Hello.
And Kevin is not here today.
That's right, yeah.
He's back in India, right?
He's back in India studying
Okay.
there, yes.
So let's have a tour of the garden. And so what's one of the best things about the garden?
Garden is because we all work under a lot of pressure. So when you come home, so we totally, away from the work, and we have a peace of mind.
So this is Simi Paul, who's created this beautiful garden. So what year did you start the garden here at the house?
In 2001.
So it's been like 18 years
18
since
years,
you've been
yes,
working on this.
Yeah. Beginning, we collect some seeds from India, and we started with vegetables and few flowering plants. Then every year we expand. We utilize most of the spaces, even including the roof.
And tell me, is it easy to grow here in Qatar? Because do you think a lot of people think it's actually quite difficult?
It's not that difficult. Luckily, Qatar, we have winter season.
Wow, this is amazing. Look at this. Rooftop garden here in Doha, and you've created this all yourself, haven't you?
Yes, yeah.
And why did you decide to come up on the rooftop?
Because some plants, they need more sunlight.
Yeah.
As there is some buildings, we don't get enough light.
So you've literally got a whole range of delicious ingredients for cooking, right? Simi, tell me about these plastic bottles. I'm really intrigued. Why are you hanging them from these boards?
These are called snake gourd. When it grows big, you need to have some weight. So we need to keep you can keep even the stones. Yeah.
And so basically it just makes the gourd grow straight.
Yes.
Instead of all curly and twisted.
And this idea came from my husband.
Recycling, that's what we want to see in Qatar, right?
The most important factor is anybody can grow these vegetables and flowers. Important is the sunlight.
So it's important to have sun.
Yeah, sunlight. If sunlight is there, you can grow any kind of vegetables. I suggest instead of throwing the waste, kitchen waste, like vegetable peel, all these, you can make it as compost and you can utilize in your garden. Tip number 3 is you can grow whatever you like.
That's a great tip, because I think sometimes people might be a little bit intimidated about growing, right?
Yeah.
They feel like if they grow something, it's going to die, but you've got to practice. And if you grow something you love, you're more likely to keep growing.
Yes. And make Qatar green.
Make Qatar green, yes.
Yes.
Simi, thank you so much for showing me
You're
around your
welcome.
amazing garden.
Thank you.
It really is a haven here, and you've done so much work, and I hope that people who are watching today will be inspired by your story
Yeah,
to
I
get
hope
gardening
so.
too. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.